We attended this event last year as a family and we had a really fun day out. We're proud sponsors of the event this year because we understand why events like this are really important to help bring the community together, and that's what we're all about at Evercare.
Through the backing of our sponsors, we allow people to have a fun day out with their families whilst giving 100% donations to our local Madrasa project, which is ensuring the safeguarding of our future generations of Preston.
This project is building for the future. As a youngster myself, who's 22 years old, it's something that's for my kids and my grandkids, and it's something that I can actively help in and say that I've really made a difference.
Oh, it's amazing, it's nice. Like I said, we come here, everyone's all welcoming. It's been really good, all rides are good for kids.
It's a wonderful day at the Jamea Masjid Funfair.
On offer today, we've got a variety of food stalls, we've got entertainment for children, we've got clothing stalls, henna artists, face painting for the children.
It's an amazing opportunity to contribute in our own little way. The Daba crew is here today to make some fantastic Indian delights and have a lovely event with the local community.
We're here today to make some Masjid to raise money for our local community, to support the local mosques and to raise money for the academy that they're building.
Alhamdulillah, I was invited by the wonderful organisers, alhamdulillah, to come along and support this lovely event, alhamdulillah. They are raising money towards a wonderful cause.
The need is to build a local education centre for our young children who will benefit from an iconic building with loads of facilities for all parts of the community.
And it will give our children state-of-the-art facility to build up their confidence, their faith, their religion.
This is for our future. We're teaching at this madrasa right now, and we know that in this day and age, children need the technology as well as the knowledge to learn. There's nothing to say that Islamic education is any different from regular education. Children should be given equal opportunity in all education.
Community cohesion plays a big role in these events. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, working together is success.